So the Lord kept me going on this, and He kept me going and kept me going, kept me going, kept me going, kept me going. And here's some. I'm going to show you something here. So He had me keep searching, and I put in M plus 2 plus harmonics, M plus 2 plus physics, M plus 2 plus harmonic physics, and it's all, it keeps coming up with all this stuff. Hang on. This is turning out to be super big confirmation on a lot of levels. All right. Hang on. All right, so spherical harmonics. Spherical harmonics. And of course, there's that maritime law, because of course everything's on wavelengths and current and everything else that when it comes to electricity, and that's what he had me really kind of starting on there. And then he took me on down the line to this from electric and energy and how it's made and wavelengths and connections with like live streaming, like stream, running water. Let's see. The flow, right? All of this different terminology, the current and stuff like that. When we're talking about electricity. So then he took me to this. We're getting into trigonometry and physics now. Table of spherical harmonics, and then he took me into this. Motion plus mass plus 2. M plus 2. Newton's second law of motion. And it's, I'm going to show you now. Are you ready? So, standing waves. It's the trigonometric equation for this. Does that look familiar? Yeah. So hang on a second, because meta means dead, of course. Denoting a change of position or condition. Denoting position behind, after, or beyond. Okay? Denoting something of a higher or second order kind. In chemistry, denoting substitution at 2 carbon atoms separated by one another in a benzene ring. E.g. in 1 and 3 positions. There's a lot. So it's the origin is Greek or Latin, with, across, or after. Meta. What's that verse? I'm saying it in a way that the algorithms in AI won't be able to get a hold of it and try to shadow ban me. So the meta, what's that verse? You see? Higher, beyond. Now let's see. There it is. I meant to say put it in infinity. Hang on. Yep, you see it, guys. Now, just to make sure I put a disclaimer, this is not the symbol for infinity. This is not the symbol for meta, right? This is actually, I mean, it is, but it doesn't mean what they say it means. Okay? It's the serpent eating itself. I don't want to say the name.
I know. Satan.
Okay. And so it says the ancient symbol of blank or blank eating its own tail, variously signifying infinity and the cycle of birth and death. We don't receive that in the name of Yeshua. However, I'm just showing you what God keeps bringing me back to now and how he's brought it all around to these harmonics. And this, let's see it again. Here, let me do it this way. Whoops. Waves. All right, so let's go into, let me pull up images for it because I'm going to show you right here. This is exactly what he's showing me. It's all about those harmonics, baby. M plus 2 in harmonic physics equals the second harmonic, which is the standing wave, right? Formula, or you know what. Amen. Amen.
Amen.